Problem number 42. Hexagonal pyramid 25 mm side, 50 mm axis length resting on one of its slant triangular face. And axis is not appears here. Inclined at an angle of 45. Axis is inclined 45 degree to VP. There is no appears word. So we'll get locus line. Now in this problem, right, resting on one of its slant triangular face means resting on edge. Edge should be right side of your XY line in all the solids. Resting on slant triangular face means edge should be right side. Now height is given 50 millimeter. Before that, D is visible, E is not visible, D dash, E dash is inside, C is visible, F is not visible, C dash, F dash is inside, and then O1 dash, B is visible, A is not visible, B dash, A dash. Now all the corners should be joined to the center in all pyramid problems, and height is given 50 millimeter. We'll take 50 mm height on axis line. All the projectors should be joined to the XY line. Now join all the points to the O point. And then this point here, CO is overlapping O1. Because of that, this axis line is not visible, and then this point is called O dash, and height is 50 mm and 25 mm height. This is the first position of this problem, that is problem number 42, resting on one of its slant triangular face. Slant triangular face is nothing but this O, D is the slant triangular face. Because of that, it is resting on one of its edge. Now OED, that is OED, it should be on XY line. First I will mark here D dash point, E dash point, and then we'll take distance from D dash, E dash to O point, that is height 50 millimeter. Keeping at D dash, E dash, we'll cut the XY line by O point. Here we'll get O dash point. Now we'll join these 2 points. Right, 2 point we got. Now we'll take distance, that is right. Now we cut it from this point, and we will take distance D dash, E dash to B dash, O dash. Keeping it, we will cut this. Here we will get B dash, A dash point. Now we will join these 2 points. Right. Next we'll cut it by center D dash, E dash distance to the O1 dash. Keeping it D dash, E dash, we'll cut it, and here we'll get O1 dash and also C dash, F dash. We'll join that point also. Right. This is the front view, that is resting on one of its slant triangular face. Now we'll draw the projector, vertical projectors from all the points. Here we'll get O point, and here we'll get O1 point. D and E are here, so we'll get E point here, D point here, C and F are here, we'll get F point here, right. Then here we'll get C point, and this point is B, this point is A. When you are viewing from this side, the point which is away from the observer is OD and OE. The line joining to OD and OE are dash lines. Because of D and E are border lines, we cannot make it dash. Only OD and OE will become dash lines. Next, all other points are continuous. All the points will be joined to O point. So this is the second position. Resting on one of its slant triangular face. Right, second position. Now we'll take 45 degree line, we'll mark here, and we'll take 45 degree line on XY. We'll extend this line within .45. We'll mark O point here. Right, now it is not appears, only what they have given, axis is inclined at an angle of 45 degree. Because of that we'll get a locus line. First we'll take height, construction will be different. Height I have taken, that is from the first position, that is 50 millimeter. I cut the 45 mm, 45 degree line, and then we'll draw a locus line here. Parallel to this, I will draw a locus line. And then we'll cut it by O1 distance of the second position. This distance I will be cutting that locus line. This locus line I have cut. Now we'll join these 2 points. This point is called as O1. Now we'll measure. It should be of 50 degree. Plus or minus we'll get. Right. Exactly 50 degree we got. We should get 50 degree. Sometime it may be error, because of that we may not get 50 degree. Right. Now we should construct on O1 line. This line we have to construct. On that line we have to construct, that is 50 degree line. On 50 degree line we have to construct this second position. O1 is there. Now we'll take OF, or you can take OC distance. Keeping at O point, we'll draw arcs. And then this is 90 degree line which cuts F and C from O1. So we'll take 90 degree on 50-degree line. Right, we'll take 90-degree so that here we got 2 points C, F. Very simple. By taking 90 degree and 50 degree from one point, we'll get F and C point. Now, from O point, we'll take E distance or D distance. Both are same. From O, I have taken D and E, and from C point I will take E distance, or can take from F point D distance. C point I am taking. Next, from F point, here we get E point, D point. Now we'll join these 2 points. Right. Now we'll take 90 degree. From here it is B 90 degree. From E 90 degree A will get. So from this point we'll take 90 degree. From this point also we'll take 90 degree. Right. Now we'll not extend more. Small distance I will extend. And we'll cut it by dB distance. Right, this distance I will cut. Right, now we got this is D, this is E. We'll join all the points. Construction may be different. There is no restrictions to construct. Can construct anyhow in different methods. Ultimate, we should get this position here. So this is the third position on 50 degree line. Axis is not appears to be inclined. Now we'll take parallel to this. From F point, E point, so this is A and B. Next, parallel to this, we'll move on to A. A is here. D point, D is on XY line. B point, C, here we will get O dash point, D dash point, E dash point. On XY line we will get, and we will draw horizontal lines, horizontal projectors for parallel to XY line. And then parallel to this line we'll get BA point. So we got all the points. This point is F dash, this point is called as C dash, this is B dash, this is A dash. Now we got all the points. When you are viewing from this side, the points which are away from the observer, once again OF, OA, OE, we'll get again 2 or 3 points. We'll explain. First we'll draw border lines. Join all the border lines. Base is completely visible. Next, O to B, O to C, then O to A is a dash, and O to F is also dash. These are the two lines you will get as dash, which cannot be visible from the bottom in third view. This is how you have to construct when axis is not appears in third position. Thank you.